So I paid $36.11. It has free shipping and offers several free items with your first order. All the orders, I believe, you get free items as well. So I'm really excited to open this box and see what I have received. I saw an ad for toilet paper, wanted to order toilet paper, so that's what I did for $20 for the 2. They gave me the 1 free, and then I had to throw in a few extra items to meet the requirements to get the free shipping. And why not? And then it makes that aluminum foil only $3 and something, which is reasonable. The products are sustainable, natural ingredients, no plastic waste. Even the wellness products like the vitamins have no additional additives. And they have a nice variety, including pet supplies, kits, children's, home cleaning, personal care, and more. I'm in a free trial, and after the 60 days, I guess I'm going to be charged $19.99 annually. And every month, they send you the same thing, unless you change what's in your basket, and you can change the billing date, or you can just cancel the whole thing if it's something you're not happy with. So I'm definitely excited to get going on all this stuff. I do have a lot of allergies, so there may be some things that I can't use. But then, I can just change what's in my basket, and I won't, order the toilet paper or the dish soap because of the smell or something again. And what does that say? Joan, you make ours dingy bright. Joan, you make ours, I think it says dingy bright. I'm not sure. But anyway, they left me a little note. And this is a good sized box. So let's see. Okay, so Bubble Up. This looks like the dish soap dispenser. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. That's one thing, is these are things that I am going to use. So, get this out of the box. Oh, cool. That has nice bristles on it. Fill it up with the soap. Brush it up there, and then you can brush the dishes with that. Holes in it for the bubbles to come through. It's a nice ceramic container. Yep, okay, that was free. All right, let me get that set aside. Grab the next item. Let's see. All right, so this is the free toilet paper. So I'm sure hoping that this is going to work out for me because I have a lot of toilet paper. It looks good. I mean, it looks like it's a good quality. It's called tree-free toilet paper. I don't know what that roll is made of in the center, but no added dyes, inks, or scents. Plush 3-ply 4 mega rolls equals 20. It's soft, strong, sustainable, and sustainably grown bamboo, pesticide-free, plastic-free. All right, sounds good. I think I'm interested in their paper towel as well then. And then this here is the 2 that I bought. So it's 40 equals 40 rolls, 8 mega rolls, and I got 2 boxes of that. So that's quite a bit. And that was $19.98 for 2 boxes. They're only $10 a box. All right, so this one is the scrubber. It's made with ground walnut shells, recycled fibers, and plant-based cellulose. You can put it in the top rack of the dishwasher. It's called the Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge 2-pack, and this was free as well. Okay, so the next is Meyer's Clean Day Pear Scent dish soap, which probably the scent's going to bother me, but it's biodegradable formula, cuts grease. It's a 16 fluid ounce. Made with plant-derived cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, and glycerin. Does not have the parabens, phthalates, MEA, DEA, and artificial colors. It also says that the bottle is made with post-consumer plastics, except for the lid. And that was free as well. Okay, so this one is the tissue, and this is the same. Go tree-free with us. Soft drinks, strong, sustainable, made from pesticide-free, friendly bamboo. It's 100% plastic-free. It feels really nice. It's really thick. It actually says that it's 3 soft, thick layers. Of course, the no added dyes, inks, and scents, and there are 75 tissues in the box. That's really thick. Okay, so this is the glass cleaner concentrate, and it's leaked out a little bit. I can feel it right there along the lid. It's a orange rosemary, and You just fill the cleaning bottle that's in the, and there's a cleaning bottle, I guess, that's in there as well. And replace the nozzle. Okay, so it's for mirrored surfaces. All right, so this one is a laundry stain remover. It's a soap stick. Okay, so this is fragrance-free, dye-free, preservative-free, plastic-free. It has vegetable oil, sodium copiate, glycerin, organic cocoa nufurica, coconut oil, and water. Those are the ingredients, so I'm hoping that this really works. I'll test it on something that's not as important, I guess. And you just use it as others. I mean, you just wet the area, put it on there, and then you throw it into the wash. It's for all kinds of fabrics, including baby clothes. And it was free. Okay, so the next is the hand soap. It's made with olive oil and aloe vera. Also, plant-derived cleaning ingredients such as essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, olive oil, and without, of course, the parabens, phthalates, MEA, DEA, and artificial colors. 12.5 fluid ounces, and it was free. It is, although, the pear tree scent, and right now I feel like it's already bothering me. All right, so let me dig out that bottle that comes with it. Let's see. There we go. So this is reusable cleaning bottle, and oh, it's glass. Oh, how cool. It has a rubber thingy on the bottom to keep it safe. A nice squirt bottle. I love this. I can't believe I got all this stuff for $36. This is fantastic. I love this bottle. Looks like some nice squirt action there. And love the rubber on the bottom to protect the bottle. Fantastic. And it was free. Alrighty then, so the last item is the heavy-duty aluminum foil. It said it's stronger and thicker than regular foil. Excellent food wrap, protects food from light, oxygen, humidity, and bacteria. It can be used on grills, barbecue, and in the oven. It is 30 square feet, and it is recycled aluminum foil. Now, this was $8.59, but again, like I said, I added it because if I add it, then the $4.99 shipping is waived. So, yeah, I don't know. But I'm going to give it a go and see how well it works because, you know, Reynolds wrap is kind of expensive as well anyway. And the fact that it's recycled, so there's no mining required to make this aluminum foil. So my purchase was the 2 toilet papers, which came to $19.98. I had to throw in a couple extra to get the free shipping and meet the requirements, which was the aluminum foil for $8.59 and the stain remover for $5.49. Everything else was free. So I think this was a fantastic deal. I just love everything about this so far, and I'm really excited about this subscription. This is a subscription, but again, you can cancel any time. Look at that tissue. It is so thick. I'm just really excited. So let me know what you think. Let me know in your comments below. I'll see you in the next video.